Handling, dosing, and mixing bulk materials requires more than accurate weighing. Production efficiency, product consistency, and process continuity are critical for competitiveness. At the same time, the environment demands strict standards for safety, equipment durability, and reliability in every condition. Tamtron designs, manufactures, and delivers complete solutions for measuring and controlling material flows, from raw material intake to final packaging. Our big bag stations offer dustless connections and ergonomic safe operation. These can be integrated with conveyors and weighing units to form seamless processes. For dosing, we use loss-in-weight feeders for continuous processes and other optimized dosing equipment for batch production. Automation is integrated at the system level, optionally aligned with factory controls. Our mixing solutions are customized to your recipe. For material transfer, we leverage gravity whenever possible, reducing energy use and simplifying maintenance. In the final stages, our solutions ensure legal for trade accuracy and reliable data for process optimization and commercial use. Tamtron delivers dosing and weighing solutions to different industries for capacities from a few kilos to 1,200 tons per hour. Tamtron is a system integrator. We deliver the best solution for your needs. Our weighing, automation, and project management expertise sets us apart. Tamtron solutions help you streamline production, reduce waste, and ensure consistent product quality, all while saving energy and lowering lifecycle costs. Tamtron, your reliable partner in industrial weighing and dosing.